In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Perkopolis account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in perkopolis.com. Press enter. Once you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Perkopolis. What you have to do is click on this option sign in or register that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to the sign in or register interface. If you do not have the account, click on this option register and you'll be able to register for your account. If you're already registered, you'll be able to sign in to your account. What you have to do is enter your email and password over here. Click on the field of email and enter the email address. Likewise, click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your password, click on this option forget your password and you'll be able to reset it. Now after you enter the credentials, click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Perkopolis account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.